Hey you! I heard you want to start your own business, but don't know how to get started. Better yet, who would you trust in getting this process started for you? Trust the friendly staff at Startups Only Service to be the key to moving your business forward. Why choose Startups Only Service over LegalZoom or Rocket Lawyer? Well, our competitors cost more, and they will only set up the formation of your entity. They will not provide steps on how to move your business forward. Go with the company that will give you a better price than our competitors and provide you with a custom 12-month plan of action to have a guide that will help you move your business forward. Startups Only Service provides their clients with entity formation filings, business consulting advice, corporate credibility programs, and traditional and hard money financing. We have all the resources available you won't find anywhere else, all under one roof. So give us a call at 702-818-1132 or visit us on the web at www.startupsonlyservice.com. A company created for startups, a company known for sound business advice without a retainer. Let's get started.